Hi Kestrels, it's Friday, yay, okay, obviously we've just got to get through today and then it's the weekend where you can relax. So as always on a Friday, it's your spelling test this morning, so get on with your spelling test and don't forget to send me your scores. Obviously if you don't do as well as you'd like, just add them to next week's practice so that you can obviously practice, get better at the ones you're not so good at. And then in Spank, you're going to be practicing using simple, past, present and future tense. So it's really important about knowing the difference between them so that we know when we're changing in our writing and so that we can be consistent. So make sure you follow the link and complete the activity. For Talk for Writing today, you are going to be completing your hot task. I know we've said that for the last 2 days, but I've still not had any work through to celebrate. You might have noticed at the start of this video. So I think it's really important that maybe you might not have had enough time this week. So take this time today to spend some time finishing writing your tale of fear. And if you have finished, or when you finish, if you need to finish today, you need to spend time going through and editing it, just like we do in school. That's not to say you've not written an excellent tale of fear. That's not why we edit. Remember, actually, published authors have editors that make their writing better. So it can be phenomenal, but there is always room for improvement. So don't feel negative about editing. That's how we improve, and that's what's going to make us even more spectacular. So find the time to go through that, okay? Focus on your spellings. Get a dictionary of any unsure words, okay, and check them. Punctuation, at least the basics, the non-negotiables, capital letters and full stops. And then going into the more adventurous, if you've used any speech, have you used that correctly? You should have, because you spent 2 days this week looking at punctuation for speech. So really take the time to double check these things. And word choices, if you've used the word big, there's so many better word choices. So actually as you reread it, can you make it better? Can you use a simile maybe if you've not used one already? Can you use alliteration? All of those language features that Miss Martin and I have been going on about during our Innovate Week for Tales of Fear, then you need to have included them. We want to fill that suspense. We want those range of sentence openers. Have you got your commas after them? Check really carefully today. Then it's break time, and in maths, obviously, times table rock stars for 10 minutes, please. I can see how long some of you have been on it, and it's not enough. You should be averaging the 10 minutes a day, and that is by you going on it 10 minutes every day. It's not by going on it for longer one day. It's not by, it's about getting those times table knowledge in your head so that you can use them for your maths, which is really going to help with today's math because it's arithmetic. So work through the arithmetic paper. Obviously the answers go on at the end of the day. Work out your answers, work out your score and send it through to me. Once again, make a little note of whether it's maybe the division questions you struggled with, fractions, multiplication by 2-digit, whatever it is that you're struggling with. Make sure you don't just go, oh, I just didn't get any of those right. Actually, what are you going to do about it? Do you need to ask me for extra practice? Let me know. For Talk for Reading, it's day 5, so you need to do questions for day 5 for the Little White Horse. But obviously, if you haven't answered any from the rest of the week, make sure you catch up today. And then it's lunchtime, and after lunch you've got PE. So today's PE lesson is Real PE, so go on to the link for Jasmine. Obviously use your Real PE at home log on. And as always, there's the help video on the daily timetable, and then it tells you to click Key Stage 2 and then stance work this afternoon. As always, the video icons will help you if you're unsure of what to do. And then French today, it's about talking all about school. So it might be what you like and don't like, okay, days of the week, things that maybe we discuss at school that you could learn in French. So once again, listen carefully to the pronunciations and then repeat. Once again, you might not have to write anything down, it's your choice. Then to end the day, you've got Mrs. Bill reading our class read of I Am David. So we are due to finish this next week, so it's really getting to the end of our story now. So we hope that you've enjoyed it, and obviously I think next Wednesday is the end of our story, so that's super exciting. And then Read for Pleasure. Obviously tonight and again over the weekend, some of you are still not quizzing. Let me know if you need a book, please, but please, please, please get quizzing on Accelerated Reader. And then just have the loveliest weekend, okay? Take the time off from your learning, relax, okay? Just sort of get re-energized, ready for next week. I can't believe we're going to be on week 5 of remote learning. But you keep sending me some pictures of your work, but I ask Fridays for examples of you having fun over the weekends, and I haven't had any. It would be so nice to see you doing those exciting things that you're doing, even if it is sat there with a headset on, staring at your computer, or whatever it might be. Send it to me so that I know that you're having fun and doing the enjoyment things as well, because it's not all about the learning, it's about everything at the moment, and it seems like really strange times, so you've got to be thinking of everything. But I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Monday.